Hello guys, I'm Fisher 1020 here. Today, out of breath from pulling the jack over here. This is locked. It's not supposed to be. Sure, the bearings just need cleaned. Yeah, because she'll move, but she needs some grease on the bearings, I'm pretty sure. And should just be a little clip here, right? No, that's a washer. I don't know. We'll see when we get everything off. Start off by taking the tires off. That's a angry wasp. This has been sitting for a little bit. Have to clean this with oil. Ooh, I was afraid this is the one that had the one side was a bolt. Apparently you got lucky. Oh, that side's pretty clean. So I'm guessing this side's got, whoops. Shouldn't have done that, but I guess this side has, this side's probably the one with the gear that's locked up with the bearing. I hope that's not in the way. No, it's not. So this has 6 bolts in the bottom. I'm going to use this jack stand as a stand for you guys to see. Don't mind the scrap pile to the left. Don't you go all the way down. Don't get stuck in there now. Okay. Come on. Tilt. Now I hope I don't really get in the way, but if I do, I do. Doesn't really matter. But at the same time, you guys want to see. So otherwise you wouldn't be watching. But oh well. I'm doing this so we could sell it. Change the bearings and stuff or whatever. Or if they're salvageable, clean them out. But they're really expensive, the bearings, so I sure hope we don't have to change them. If we have to change them, we might just take the engine off and put it on a good one that doesn't have a good engine. Oh, come on, you were so close. But yet, you're so far away. Yep, same thing. So close, so far. You know, I don't know why I'm grabbing one at a time. Ah, it's so loose. Maybe. Come on. So far, that is way off. So far we got nothing. You know, you think I would just look at the size and there we go, that's close enough. Yep, just throw the tools in there, they'll find their way back to the proper location. It's so hot and sweaty. I think a guy would drag the tarp thing over here, but you know, oh well. I think he would put a covers over his head so he gets so burnt. I'll have to go get some sunscreen. I got a burn on my back there a couple weeks ago. It went away, but so bad it was itching terrible. If I get that again, oh, that would suck. Come on. You know you want to come out. And if you don't, I'm going to make you come out anyway. Come on. Silly old thing. maybe it's locked there. That means this probably won't get fixed. Oh my gosh. That bottom left bolt just don't want to come out. My arm is just immediately sweaty. Today was not a good day to decide to work on this. But just work on it anyway. It's extra money. Kinda wish that that company that made the outdoor heaters, it'd be awesome if they made powerful outdoor air conditioners. Sure, it'd be kind of useless, but the cold air would just go out into the air and yeah, never come back. But hey, doesn't that what the heat does anyway? It's a serial number, model number on the back plate. Huh. No wonder why she does not want to work. I was not expecting that. Just toss her over there. She'll be fine. Now, you want to grab this stuff and just grab it out of the way and just pull quick, just in case if there is a mouse in there. Seems that she's a bit trapped on this. Oh, it reeks in here. Why did it have to be a mouse? Couldn't have been a small dog. I'm joking. Bearing on this seems to be good, but she's so wrapped up. Stupid mice. If I wasn't so allergic, I'll be back. Actually, never mind. I found a pair of pliers right here. I'm gonna be sneezing and eyes and itching. Don't know what an eyes and itching is, but hey. I think a guy that grabbed the pliers would use the pliers. But nope. Come on. You know you want to be free. Oh my gosh, no you don't. Oh, I lied. How do I get you out? One washer there. You got a big crusty crust over here. Holy cow, you're gonna need greased up. I was not expecting this at all. I thought I was gonna need to clean some bearings out and grease them up. Not expecting the whole colony to be in here. Huh. Need a flathead screwdriver. Of course. I'll be back. I'm gonna leave you recording though. So I'm gonna run. Okay guys, I'm back. Just got back from running from the shed. I really need to find a software to edit my videos on, so that way I don't have to walk away and leave it recording. Huh, great. Now I need something else. I'll be back. I think I've done enough running. Drop the hammer there and get yourself a drink. That's refreshing. Oh my gosh. Well, that's not working. Come on, you know you want to come out. There we go. Now, do you slide over? Looks like I'm going to get the oil. If I get it on that plate, it's gonna suck. It's gonna rub and everything. This belt came off. That's what happened originally. I need to get this further away. Reverse brings it closer. 6 brings it further away. There's the key. Yeah, like that's gonna work. How are you still turning? Come on, get out of there. You know you want to come out. Oh, well, let's get this washer off before we lose it. Just remember which direction that goes in. How do we... I think we need to take this off. Oh, crap. Huh. Huh. That comes off. That needs to come off. The more I look at this, the more I realize wasps like to land on my hair. Bugs with... stupid bugs. The more I look at this, the more I realize how much it looks like it should